Pump and dump schemes look great on the surface. Buy here, sell here, profit. The irony is everyone in the scheme thinks they are the pumper. Yet, crypto investors lost nearly $3 billion in 2021 from this scheme. So let's find out how to spot a pump and dump and how to invest properly. What is a pump and dump? Basically, it's a pyramid scheme. Conspirators artificially inflate the price of the currency using fake information, after which they sell it, leaving the majority of buyers at a loss. It looks like this. What are some red flags out there? One telltale sign is copy-pasted messages by groups across social media with similar screen names. Scammers sometimes reach out to you personally and pretend they're a trusted influencer. Don't answer until you've done your research online and verified it's the real deal. Learn about the coin's purpose and history. Ask yourself, what problem are they solving? Anonymous founders are also a red flag. It increases chances they will disappear into thin air. Generally, if it feels like a scam, it probably is. Scammers feed off people's greed, and though it can be tempting to jump on a trend, emotions are your worst advisor. How to invest reasonably? Experts advise to stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum because they have longer track records of value growth. Keep your holdings at 5% or less and diversify your assets. Learn about the founders. If they are respected personalities such as Vitalik Buterin or Dan Laramé per se, it sounds like a good project. Finally, invest in projects that help people do something better, cheaper, or faster. Happy hunting!